Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an NFT step by step. All right, so this is going to work for you whether you are a beginner or hey guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an NFT step by step. And we're going to be doing that using a platform called Opensea. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, so currently, click on the link in the pinned comment section to get over to this site, opensea.io. All right, now the first thing we want to do is that first thing you should know, Opensea is one of the biggest, most popular NFT platforms currently. So on it, you could create your NFT on, or you could call this, you could mint your NFT, and of course, you could also sell it or you could buy. All right. So now, first things first, you want to add your wallet. You want to link your wallet to Opensea. Okay. To do that, we head over to this wallet icon and we click on it. All right. So there are several options here. You could use MetaMask, which is very popular, which you could use Coinbase or Wallet Connect or Formatic. So of course there are several more options that you could use. All right. There's Skycars, BitSky, Venly, Dapper, and other stuff. So some of these are not very much popular. All right. Now, currently I'm using Trust Wallet. All right. So now with Trust Wallet, you could connect using Wallet Connect, this option. So now I'm going to show you a screenshot of how I'll do this on my Trust Wallet account. So now that I've linked my my wallet using my Trust Wallet app, right now we want to so this is it. Now we want to create, all right. But then before that, right, so if you want to explore, you could look at NFTs, you could look at new ones, at the collectibles. Of course, you know, you could create, you could use a domain name as an NFT, all right, music, photography, sports, cards, utility, and all of that, all right. And then this is becoming very much hype nowadays. You could see, so if we go back, so currently I'm looking at crypto skulls, all right. We see that they have over 10,000 items here. There are over almost 3,000 owners of this NFTs, all right. Then the floor price is about 0.05 Ethereum, all right. And then the volume that's traded is about 1.4 Ethereum. Now, this is crypto scores, okay. So you look at the prices of each of this. This is 0.05, 0.05, it's 0.15. You see this is 0.03. You see 0.087. So and this, the prices depend on how rare the NFT is, okay. So we keep scrolling down, we could find this is 0.95 and 0.95, 0.95. Let me see if we could find more expensive ones. All right, all right, 0.99. All right, so 0.99, 0.99. So this is almost 1 Ethereum. Okay, so this is not financial advice, all right, but I know guys who are doing great stuff, who are simply minting and flipping NFTs. So that means they mint it at its launch and then they sell it. All right, now let's talk about how you could create your own NFT. Now we head over to this dashboard and we click on create. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to add the file for the NFT. All right. So it could be an image or a video. It could be an audio or a 3D model. All right. And then these are the supported file types. So you should please keep note of this. And then, of course, the maximum file size is about 100 megabytes. So we scroll down after. So you click on this, and then you are taken to the prompt to upload the file. Of course, the name of the NFT is required. If you have like an external file, external link, yes, you want to put that right here. All right, then you put in your description. Okay, then for collections, this is not very necessary. All right, if you don't have any collection so far, once you upload and you create your first NFT, collection will be created for you automatically. Okay, so you can just skip this part, says collection, and now you want to check any of this. All right, so you could include if it's content that can be unlocked when this NFT is purchased by the owner. All right, and then of course you want to check whether it contains explicit or sensitive content. Okay, then also now the supply is very important. Okay, so if you have 1,000 copies of this particular NFT, 500 copies, you want to include that here. And then now the blockchain. Okay, so if you for the blockchain, you want to so if you click drop down menu here, you want to choose whether it's going to be Ethereum, Polygon, or any other blockchain. Okay, so you select which one it is, and of course you have to freeze your metadata. All right, but to do that you have to create. Okay, so once you're done with filling out this information and uploading the file over here, you want to just click this button here that says create, and that is how you create your NFT. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what else would you want to learn about NFTs. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.